What's up, everybody? My name's Chris, and I'm a delivery driver for Hotbox. I'm going to tell you about my day and how I go about delivering, and the final thing, tips and tricks on how to excel as a delivery driver. So tip number one, buy a GPS mount. Something to hold the GPS to your window, in front of your view, preferably underneath your mirror, to allow easy access to the GPS, aka your phone probably. And tip number two, make sure that you wear the car topper. The car topper not only gives more businesses, but it gives the customer time to come out and figure out, get their money together, whatever the situation. They're looking out the window for you. You just got to give them that chance. If you're just a normal car pulling up and they see you just step out of the car and then they finally see you take the pizza bags, well, you're already halfway at the door by the time. Tip number three would be always bring extra pins. Buy a packet of pins, throw them in your car somewhere, because customers often don't have them. I have here. I have like a whole bunch of these pins, like $1 online. They bring up a conversation piece for the customer so you can connect, do some bantering, and banter leads to bigger tips. Remember the customer's name. If you go to a customer a lot and they're always at their house, you're always delivering to them, they will begin to tip you more because you know their name, because you dress them by their name, and you talk to them, and you ask them how the day is, and you are, it's like you care for them, as a customer. So remember the customer's name and always address them by their name. That, and it also internally helps you remember where they live, so you can be less and less dependent on your GPS and more reliant on being a good pizza delivery guy. So I just got done dropping off my first 2 deliveries. My first one tipped me $5, and my second one tipped me $3. Another order, that's order number 3, and they tipped me $6. So the number 4 order, they tipped $8. Now that is a big tip. For 5, they tipped me $5. So right now it's only hour one of working, and I've gotten quite a lot in tips. I believe 6 and 7. One tipped me $4.50. The other one tipped me pretty much the same, $4.50. And we keep moving on. $2 tipped me $5. Got tipped $5.